What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a sponsored video. I'm doing a wig install, and the wig is from Yolissa Hair today. They sent me this brown and blonde highlight wig. I'm stuttering. It's real early in the morning, y'all. I'm just trying to get this video out. But yeah, so the knots are really small on this wig. I believe it had like a Swiss lace. Look at Kylie all in the camera. It came with an edge scarf, some lashes, um that was like another edge scarf, and it came with like an edge brush, an elastic band, and some wig caps. So they give you a lot of stuff in the box with your wig, and also a bag to store it in. But only thing I really use is the wig cap and the edge brush. I already have my own like elastic bands or whatever. So I'm just gonna bleach the knots first, and you want to make sure your bleach is like really thick so it doesn't get on the hair, just on the knots. But you want to make it like, I don't know, not too thick, because you want it to be able to spread. But this is our model today. Her name is Yolissa, and I'm just blow drying her hair out. I got this blow dryer for Christmas, y'all. My natural hairstylist put me on. That blow dryer is the truth. Like, if you do natural hair, it's gonna make your job a lot easier when you silk pressing somebody's shit out. So it's a Rusk blow dryer. But I'm just parting her hair down the middle, and then we're gonna start braiding her down. And y'all, I look ratchet as fuck. I got my bonnet on. That's because my hair was not done, and I'm pregnant as fuck. Like, I don't be feeling like throwing a wig on every day. But yeah, I've been wearing my real hair now, so I don't look as bogus, as dusty. But yeah, so we're just gonna braid her hair some wig braids, with the ones with the middle part down the middle, because she's getting the middle part, and then braid her down the side, and then connect all of those braids together for a flat braid down so her wig lays flat. And I'm just gonna do that to all of her hair or whatever, so we can get the wig put on. Kylie is sleeping right now. I hope she don't wake up while I'm doing my voiceover. I be having to do stuff like this while she sleep, because she do not be quiet at all, like at all. So after I braid that down all her hair, I'm going to slick her edges back with some Got2b glue, and we're going to put her cap on. Look at Kylie again in the way. She always be, thank God I know this girl, and it's not just a random person, but, because Kylie always be all up on people's face when I take her to the shop with me. But I'm using the ORS hairspray, and then I use the bow hole lace glue to lay down my ball cap, and then I'm gonna cut the cap off, and then I sewed it down only around the part that's gonna be underneath the closure, so her hair can breathe, because like having that wig cap on top of your whole head, that shit ain't it. Like, it make your hair real itchy. So I'm gonna put some makeup on the lace. Yolissa is so freaking light skinned, and I use like the lightest freaking shade of cream makeup that I had. And actually, I'm so glad that I'm doing a voiceover for this video, because I'm about to have a hair shoot, and I wasn't sure if she was going to be lighter than my light skin model, but she actually is. So I'm about to text her right now. But yeah, so now we're putting the wig on, and I'm gonna hot comb it back before I start to glue it down, just to get any like flyaways out of the way. and so the hair don't be in the glue. One thing I wish I would have did was cut the lace before I glued it down. Sometimes I cut it before, sometimes I cut it after. It just really depends on my mood. But that bald cap is really balding, like you can't even see that shit. But yeah, so I'm gonna put down 3 to 4 layers of glue. Sometimes I do 3, sometimes I do 4. It just depends on the client, but I do 3 to 4 layers. Let one layer dry completely before you put the next one, and then we're just gonna comb that lace into the glue and blow dry it on high for about like 30 seconds. And this lace was a little bit darker than Yolissa, so I had to finesse it. And I ain't gonna lie, like, I really don't like how I did the baby hair on this one. Like, I have a love-hate relationship with baby hair. Sometimes I get them perfect, sometimes I don't. But at the same time, I'm just a perfectionist. So, like, I just be really trying to get some shit, like, perfect. But I just sectioned out her baby hairs, and we're going to tie that down with an elastic band. And these are my custom ones. I'm low-key going to add these on my website. I sell them for $10. And then I'm using the wax stick to flatten out her closure. And we're going to do some curls today, so I'm just going to go through and flatten out the whole closure before we curl it. And this hair was straight texture. I don't remember what density it was. Let me look at what they sent me. It was really full though. It was really full. And the highlights were so super pretty. Okay, the wig was 180 density. So yeah, it was really full. And it's 20 inches. And all the information for the wig will be left in the description box below if you guys want to, you know, check it out and purchase it for yourselves. The hair is really good quality. You know, I've always heard like really good things. I've always heard really good things about Yolissa Hair. And I always see people like promoting them on YouTube. And it's like one of the places that I suggest people to get like a wig from that's not crazy expensive. And then right here is where I fucked up with the baby hairs. This is the part that I hate. I don't know why I put this little ass baby hair in the middle. Call myself like trying to disguise the lace. But the lace really didn't look that much darker than her skin on camera. In person, it definitely did look a little darker. I believe it's Swiss lace. It can't be transparent because it would have been white and it was like a little too dark to be a transparent lace, but I'm pretty sure it was like a Swiss lace, which I don't mind. Swiss laces are good for like brown skin people. Yeah, so I'm just cutting some layers in the front because we are going to curl the hair, and then I'm just taking my Sebastian's Shaper Plus and I'm spraying that all throughout the hair and combing it through to evenly distribute it. And then I'm going to take my T3 1 3/4 inch and we're gonna curl it. And then I just put some makeup in her part and then a little brown spray just like clean it up and make it look crispy. And we're gonna start curling in a second here. Or maybe I lied. Maybe I didn't use the 1 1/3. I think I probably used the 1 inch because this hair was short. So I wanted the curls to be like more tight. Yeah, I think I used the 1 inch. I have the T3 with the interchangeable iron sizes. I'll put the link to that in the description box also. It was like $380 something, damn near $400, but super, super worth it. I have 3 different sizes. It came with 1 inch, 1 3/4, and one, I believe a 1.5. So yeah, I love it. And then I'm just pinning those curls up and spraying with more Sebastian so the curls hold. And this hair did hold the curl like really, really good, with it being straight hair. So that was a good thing. And it's like processed because it's colored. So that was a good thing. And these highlights were really like 613 on this brown hair. Super pretty. Super, super pretty. And then I did the baby hair off camera because I was going to be in the way of the camera. Y'all were not going to be able to see what the fuck I was doing. So I just did them off camera. And as y'all could see what I was talking about when I put that little ass swoop in the middle. Like, I should have made that thicker and bigger. But whatever, I can't fix it now. Like, it's one thing, like, I always look back at my work after I take pictures or a video, and I'm like, okay, I could have changed this, because I'm just a perfectionist. Like, they were going to take the hot comb to give it, like, some volume in the front, and then I'm just combing that out with a really big feather comb. And y'all going to see me fix the curls in the front a couple times, because I like to have those 2 dips in the front. But, I don't always get it on the first try, because a bitch be having to do it over and over, because, well, I really just started doing hair for real, like, 2020. Like, I've been making wigs since 2016, and I, didn't really know how to curl, like, with a curling iron. My younger sister taught me how to curl with a curling iron, and since then, I've really been practicing. Like, sometimes I get the dips in the front, sometimes I don't. But I've been working harder trying to, you know, get it perfect, because I'm just a perfectionist. And I be liking shit to look a certain way. So, you don't see me going back and curling a couple times until I get it down to my liking. But as y'all can see, like, this color is really, really pretty. I just wish I could have did the baby hairs different, because I don't know why the fuck I did that shit like that. But it was still cute. She still liked her hair. And when she posted her pictures on Instagram, that shit went up. So yeah. Here is the final look. As y'all can see, it came out really, really pretty. The curls held really, really good. The highlights are super cute. It's super full. It's not thin. Like, it's really pretty, and she feeling herself as she should. Then there's me just looking dusty in the background. I'm crying. At least I think I had like 1 eye of lashes this day too, because I needed my lashes filled, so I looked real crazy. And I hate the face I make when I be focused, like, oh my god. But anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, please hit the subscribe button if you're new here. And if you have been here before, welcome back, and thank you for supporting me. Follow me on Instagram. I just changed my Instagram name. It's theonlydaraimarie, the same as my YouTube name. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. All the information about this wig will be left in the description box below. And I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video.